Hello, this is Angela Herring, and I'm going to be going over the Articulate Rise 360 and how this works. I'm using a trial, personal trial of this. We use this actually at Aiken Technical College to build some of our courses and our online new student orientations. Now, Rise 360 is a web application that lets you create beautiful and fully responsive courses pretty quickly. They have templates, which we're going to go through, and they actually have some interactive virtual reality options. So I'm going to click on the example they have given me for the trial. Now this is employee health and wellness. It goes through samples, and these right here are where you actually go through and edit your content. So let's go right here to introduction. So you see the image and the information they've provided. You can go and click on the plus sign, add interactive. There's different options that you can add some course questions and tests. You can have a labeled graphic, process. The scenario is where the virtual reality would come in. This is where you would have your avatar or your individual character, which we would then click edit. You can edit your character. Let's say for this example, let's say it looks like she's EMT. You would choose your avatar or character. You would edit your background. You would search your content. So let's just say EMT. What comes up? We can just grab this image. For the background, you want to fit it to what you're trying to teach in your course. Give it a minute to load. Sorry, it's taking a minute. The uploading the scenario background. And then once that's uploaded, you could go next to your scenario title. Let's see. Basics of EMT. Let's just say that. And then you would add your content, add text to explain the situation your scenario will address. Learning. Sorry guys, I'm trying to think. Learning the basics of EMT course 101. And you would say happy, asking, talking. We'd say talking. And then you would continue on going to your next. And you would continue going through these options to collect all the information you need to have your virtual reality and interactive. Let's start here. So right here you would add your dialogue for her to continue talking. You would go right here. You would add dialogue. You would go through and put in your learner who, responses if you would like. You can continue going down through the course and continue and adding virtual reality, some interactive courses material. That's how, this Articulate Rise 360 works. It's pretty simple and basic. Thank you so much.